Hello everyone, Justin here, and today let's draw a simple maple leaf. Maple leaves usually have 7 lobes, so let's start with the center right here. Draw one vertical and then 2 that come off to the side, and 2 that go really way off to the side, and a couple that go downward. Next, we'll draw from the tips of these lines diamond shapes. Long diamonds. They look like basically kites. And you can kind of vary these a bit. So just a couple lines that go off from the tip and then continue the lines to the center. Don't try to make it perfect. Every leaf is different, and we'll do the same for these down here. And let's put a stem. The stem is just a couple lines that flare away from each other and then connected with a short line. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is I'll go ahead and take my fine point Sharpie, which is the thicker one, and we're gonna start making these more natural. So usually from the tip these things will curve like so. So we could do that for all of them actually. Let's just go ahead and do that. Make the upper part of each lobe curved. Okay. So then these lobes will be connected to each other using curved lines. So let's just go from here, for example, and then connect to the next one, like so. So let's look at this one right here from this side. We'll go ahead and add a couple curved lines this time, and same here. Up here and finally at the bottom. Notice that I'm changing the way I'm connecting these lobes, sometimes with just one curved line, sometimes with a couple curved lines. Let's go back to this time I'm going to use my ultra fine Sharpie, which is the finer point, and I'm gonna draw the veins. So from here I'm just gonna go towards the middle, and I'm gonna start separating them as I go closer. So see how it's wider here than at the tips. And here at the bottom. And here. And go back to my fine point pen, and I'm gonna add some branching veins next from the center outward, and just kind of vary these. Usually they're not going to be right across from each other. So first on the right, then on the left, and we'll just do that for all of them, all the lobes. And maybe make this a little bit thicker, just so it matches the outline, which is kind of thick. Maybe not as thick. And gotta work on these lobes. Add some veining here. Okay, so this wasn't meant to be super realistic. It's kind of a graphic way. And next what I'm gonna do is I'll just go ahead and add some shading. So what I'm just gonna do is I'll just shade the whole thing. And what I'll do here actually is try to follow the veins. Don't have to do that though. So that should pretty much be it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you got something out of it. See you next time and have a great day.